Hello, my dear. Now I want to talk about not so big but very uncomfortable problems for all who seriously losing weight. The problem of how to avoid stretch marks when losing weight is more common than you may realize. If you are overweight and would like to lose weight, but are concerned about unsightly marks on your body, then here are some things that you need to know. The skin has a certain level of elasticity, but it varies based on several different factors. However, if it is unstretched too quickly, stretch marks can appear if the right things aren't done to prevent them. That being said, if you lose a lot of weight, which would, in effect, unstretch the skin quickly, then you may still see some marks, though you can minimize them a great deal. More than anything else, you need to make sure that your skin stays properly and fully moistured. Start by drinking plenty of water and other fluids to make sure your skin is being moistured from the inside out. Smoking cigarettes can also damage the skin, so if you smoke, now it's time to quit. You should also moisturize your skin on the outside. You can do this by purchasing moisturizers, but be sure to check the list of ingredients to make sure you are getting products that will actually help. There are many natural products that work really well. If you can't find them in your local beauty store, then you should be able to find effective moisturizers online. If you want to avoid stretch marks when losing weight, then you may be tempted to purchase any number of products that promise to erase stretch marks. Your first course of action should be to do what you can to prevent them in the first place, but if they still appear, then there are some stretch mark lotions that can eliminate or minimize them. When considering stretch mark lotions and creams, you need to take a bit of time to check into them. Unfortunately, there are some people out there who make wild claims just to sell products, and they don't care if the products work or not. Luckily, you can easily check out various companies by going online and seeing what others have said about them. The stretchiness of your skin is determined by how much collagen your body makes, and many products claim to increase collagen. Be careful though, just because a product lists collagen as an ingredient doesn't mean that the body will be able to make use of it. Reading any supporting studies or clinical trials should help you to decide if a product is right for you or not. It can be tricky to avoid stretch marks when losing weight, but it can be done. Stay hydrated on the inside and outside, and look for products that help to remove or minimize the appearance of stretch marks. Finally, keep in mind that losing weight has many health benefits, so don't let the remote possibility of some easy-to-correct stretch marks stop you from living a happy and healthy life. Really, does what importantly, are small lines on the skin or healthy, happy life? For me, the answer is obvious. I hug you.